Hey guys, welcome back. We're over here at the Harrisburg Covered Bridge. It was built in 1875 and restored in 1972. So this is going to be a pretty quick video.
Yeah, that's when it was built. If I can get my phone deck right, 1875. Well, this ain't gonna be a real long video today, but we come through here and I told her, I said, let's just stop and check this thing out a little bit. Beautiful squirrels. In summertime, it's a real nice place to fish down through there. We'll take you in this old bridge right here.
Oh, that's cool. It has a plaque up there too.
Still got the original wooden floor. Take a look down here at the river.
I don't know why they put windows in.
One point in time, it probably actually had glass in them, I guess. But yeah, thing's pretty nice. I know one thing, if we don't get out here in a minute, we'll be run over. They fly through here. Matter of fact, here they come now. Yeah, you don't get to stay inside there and check it out too much. You get run over.
No, but you can stand right here and get the side of it.
Yeah, let's go over here and check out the side of this thing. Yeah, they fly across that bridge. This thing is crafted very nice. Zoom in so you can see that column over there. It's very, very nice. Alrighty. Driving the old truck today. Gotta go get a load of firewood here in a few minutes. So. But yeah, that's kind of it. We're just on our way through here, going to get some firewood and stuff, and thought we'd stop and show you all this bridge. I'd say a bunch.
Maybe that's why they have windows. So that way when you're just like, riding the horse or whatever you do.
Might be. I'm gonna walk down here and take a look underneath it real quick. Let's go check out the bottom of it. I've always wanted to see kind of how healthy the bottom of it was. Work with me, it's a little steep walking down here. Good grief. Yeah, they fly across this thing. Some big rocks under here. Yeah, that's honestly just boards up there. See where they replaced some of them. That's good. And yeah. Still can't get over that rock. Looks really cool over there. Summertime, this is a real good place to fish, like I said. I've never fished it, but I know people that has. They say it's very, very good. And yeah, there's the bottom of this rock foundation. We'll get back up here. And this here looks like it's almost washed out. This side does. Underneath this rock foundation, looks like a cave under it.
That's not good.
But it's not. It just looks like that. Alright. Alrighty, anything you want to close us off with?
If you like videos like this, like and subscribe. It helps our channel and it's free. We are trying to upload more videos depending on what we find.
Yeah, we spent a lot of time just driving around and find something cool. We tried to get a little bit of, check it out, a little bit of footage of it. Thank y'all until next time. Have a good one.